Hello everyone, my name is Kenzo Kobayashi, and today I'll be showing you how to run your own node in Plasm Network using Azure. Okay, so you can probably use this same tutorial if you plan on running it on Linode or DigitalOcean, or even running the server at home. All right, so if you don't know what Plasm Network is, I would highly suggest that you visit their website, plasmnet.io. All right. So let's start with creating the node right now. So let's go to portal.azure.com. As you can see, we're already there. Hover on virtual machines, then click on create. All right, then select your resource group and then name your virtual machine. So I'll name here Plasm node, and then select your region. So any region will do. So just click on Japan East. That's where I am right now. Japan West. Then the image, please use Ubuntu Server 18.04 LTS. So if you're going to run your own server at home, please use the LTS version of Ubuntu. Okay. So in terms of size, please you can use the smallest one here, 2 CPUs, 8 gig memory. Then here, let's click on password, then set the username and password. Okay. All right, and then click on next. Okay, never. Okay, so in terms of the hard disk, let's create and attach a new disk. All right, so let's leave everything as is. Create and attach. So source type, just leave it as is. Then change the size to, you don't really need 1000 gig. 128 will be suffice. All right, then click on OK, and click on next. You don't have to change anything here. You don't have to change anything here. Click on next. You don't have to change anything here. Click next. Nothing here. Click next. Okay, no tags needed. Click next. Then click on create. Okay, so everything seems to be fine. So we're deploying right now. So basically here, I'll be following Martin's guide. I'm sorry, Martin, if I pronounce your name wrong. You can also click on the description below to see the link to his guide. All right. Okay, so it is deployed. Let's go to the resource. Go to networking. Okay, while you're here already, then click on add inbound port rule. Click on basic. Okay, service, let's go with HTTPS, and then here HTTPS. All right, then add. Okay, so it's creating the HTTPS. All right, now we need to connect to our node, right? So not node, we need to connect to our server using PuTTY. So here we have the public IP. Please copy this, then click open. Yes. So here, log in as all right. So here we'll download the latest Plasm node, which is 1.6.1. Okay. We will need to unzip it. Okay. And then since once you start running your node, you will see a lot of information, so to say. So in order for you to temporarily get out of that screen, I would highly suggest you type here screen. Okay. Then just click on, press enter, paste the command to run the node. So basically here, if you see the directory, Plasm node. Okay. So we have downloaded the binary. So here, this is the command to run the node. Please change your name to whatever name you wish to name your node. Okay, so here I'll be naming it contrite temp. All right, so then click on press enter to run the node. Okay, just wait and see if there are any errors. Okay, so everything seems to be working fine and is syncing right now. All right, here, in order for us to detach from this, all you have to do is press Ctrl A, then Ctrl D. So it is still running in the background. So if you don't use screen once you exit PuTTY, basically you will be turning off the node, right? So you need to do screen. So after this, you need to install the certificate here. So we're installing the library first, then Nginx. All right, and then now create the certificate. So country name, so since I'm in Japan, JP, Aichi, province, city, Nagoya. Okay, and then company, Brainbox. Then organizational unit, Plasm network. Then node. Email address, so box.com, and generate the certificate. All right, this will take some time. All right, so once done, we need to edit the configuration of Nginx. Okay. All right, so based on Martin's guide, we need to insert the code on the very bottom. So you can see the HTTP here at the very bottom of the bracket. So it's still part, so here. Okay, so you would like to include a comment, put a comment here, put a Plasm node config. Okay. All right, then copy and paste the code. Please click the link on the description below to see this, or you can also see this one on Martin's guide. All right, so all right, so let's paste it, and please make sure to change the server address. Okay, I have filled up some of the options here, so you don't have to. You just have to change the server name to your IP address. Okay, so it will be this one. So copy the IP address here, then paste. All right, then Control X, then save, yes, then enter, yes, that's the file name. Then we need to restart the Nginx by typing this command. All right, so once restarted, let's check if there are any errors. Okay, let's double check by typing this command. Is okay, successful. All right, so we're done. Basically this one. Okay, so please make sure it is, you type in HTTPS, okay, not just your IP address. So HTTPS. All right, so click on Advance, then Proceed. Then you will receive a WebSocket protocol error. So this is okay. All right, so once done, let's go to setting up your own account, okay, in Plasm network. So here, go to this URL or click on the link on the description below. Okay. So you'll go to Polkadot. So currently we're on the Polkadot network. So I would highly suggest that you click here and then click on test networks. Okay. Temporarily, because we need to fully sync the server first, the node first. So since it is not synced, let's go temporarily to Dusty. So again, go here, Polkadot network. Let's change network to test networks. Okay, then click on Dusty. This is the testnet of Plasm network. Then click on switch. Okay, then create an account, add account. So again, everything here is temporary. All right, so let's name it Plasm node. All right, so password. Okay, so make sure you copy and paste this by clicking here. Okay, and then paste it somewhere safe where you can store it. Please, because without this, you won't be able to restore your account just in case something happens. All right, so click next, save. And then here, as you can see, JSON file is downloaded. So you can also use this file to restore your account by clicking here, restore JSON, then select the file, download here, okay, then your password that you have set. Okay, so you can easily restore it. So now you have your own account. You need some PLDs. So PLD is basically the testnet token of Plasm network. So in order for you to get some, please visit our Discord server. You can click the link on the description below, and then go to go here, go to our channel, and then scroll down to testnet faucet, and then ask and paste your address. So basically just click here and then here to copy your address, and then paste it here, PLD please. All right, and then we'll be sending you some PLDs. This is used so that you can generate your own session keys. After setting up the account, we need to set the session keys right now. So again, you have to wait for your server to fully synchronize. Okay, so again, you can check by telemetry, polkadot.dusty. So make sure you're under Dusty, and then usually it is at the very bottom. As you can see here, contrite temp. So it is not fully synchronized yet. So the latest block right now is 873,225. So you need to wait until it is fully synced. So even if you asked us for some PLDs, you won't be able to see it until you are fully synced, right? Once your node is fully synced, we can actually go here to development. So again, if you're running the server on your at home, you can just click on local node, right? So you have to, of course, you have to make sure that it is the same computer where the node is running. And for VPS, you have to change this to your IP. Just paste your IP address here and then click on switch. And then you'll be connected to the to your node. All right, so once you are fully synced, you will see your PLD. All right, so in order for you to set your session keys, you need to go to developer, RPC calls, then click here on rotate keys, then submit RPC call. Then copy this, go to developer again, extrinsics. Okay, then here click on session, then set keys, then paste the keys that you have copied earlier, leave proof as is, and then click on submit transaction. And then that's it. You're finally done. So if you have any questions, please comment below, or if you like this tutorial, please like and subscribe. I'll be creating more tech videos. Thank you. Bye.